Vertebrates. Vertebrates can be defined as animals that have a backbone or vertebral column. The vertebral column extends from the back of the neck to the tail of the animal. It consists of several small bones called vertebrates, which cover and protect the spinal column. The division of the vertebral column into vertebrates means that the animal is flexible and can twist its body easily, but the structure is also very strong. Vertebrates have an internal skeleton made up of bone. The brain is well developed and is protected inside the skull. The sexes are separate. That is, one individual has only one type of sex organs and is either male or female. They do not reproduce asexually. The different groups that make up the vertebrates are fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Bony fish. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Osteichthyes. Scientific name Tilapia zili. Common name tilapia. Characteristics: it has a streamlined body, that is, the head merges smoothly with the body, such that there is no neck. Their bodies are covered by overlapping scales, which protect their inner body from injury. They have fins which are modified for swimming. The paired fins, that is, pelvic and pectoral fins, and the unpaired fins, that is, dorsal, tail fins, and anal fins. The fish has a mouth which is located at the anterior end, and the mouth contains a homodont dentition. The head contains gills which are used for respiration. The gills are protected by the operculum or gill cover. The fish has a swim bladder which is found inside the abdomen. It helps in respiration and buoyancy. They have separate sexes, that is, male and female. Tilapia has a central bony skeleton covering the spinal cord. The fishes are cold-blooded animals, that is, poikilothermic. That is, their body temperature changes with that of the environment. The fish reproduces by laying eggs, that is, oviparous. Functions of different parts of a fish. Fins. The tail fin helps the fish to swim from side to side. As the tail beats to the left, the fish moves to the right. This is with the help of powerful muscles called myotons. The paired fins, that is, the pelvic and pectoral fins, are used in steering, balancing, and maintaining the depth at which the fish swims. They also act as brakes. The dorsal and the anal fins help for stability. Swim bladder. It is a long, narrow air swimming sac found in the abdomen, which helps the fish to float. When the sac is empty, the fish sinks to the bottom of the water. Lateral line. It is used for sensitivity. That is, it helps the fish to detect changes in temperature, pressure, and vibrations in water. Scales. The scales cover and protect the fish from mechanical injury. It also helps to reduce friction between the body of the fish and the water during swimming. Gills. The gills are used for respiration. They have numerous vessels which bring food and carbon dioxide to the gills. The blood vessels are in contact with water. The fish takes in water together with dissolved oxygen through the mouth. The water comes out through the operculum. As the water passes over the gills, gaseous exchange takes place. That is, the oxygen in the water passes into the blood capillaries, while carbon dioxide diffuses in the opposite direction into water. Ear. The fish lacks an external ear, but has an internal ear which is used for balancing. Nostrils. The nostrils are not used for breathing, but they are used for detecting the presence of food, prey, and some poisonous chemicals in water. Mouth. The fish uses its mouth to eat. The homodont teeth help to trap small water plants called planktons. The big fishes eat smaller fishes and some other small aquatic animals like crabs and crayfish. Reproduction. The fish has a common opening called the cloaca, which is used for reproduction and excretion. The fish carries out external fertilization. That is, a mature female fish lays her eggs in water, and the eggs are later on fertilized by sperms produced by a mature male. Adaptations of the fish to life in water. They have fins of different types which are used for swimming. They have sensitive nostrils which help them to smell food. They have a streamlined body which help them to swim swiftly. Many fish have swim bladder. This contains air and controls the depth at which the fish swims. Muscles of the body wall are arranged in blocks, are used for swimming. The fish has gills and gill filaments, at which gaseous exchange or respiration occurs. Sea water passes through the gill slits. The gill filaments have a large surface area and are well supplied with blood vessels. Oxygen from sea water passes into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out. The body is covered with scales, which confer protection, but allows the body to wriggle from side to side while swimming. The gills of the fish are protected by a hard operculum. The mouth can open very wide, so as to allow water to enter and to carry food with it. The food is then trapped by curved teeth as the water flows out. A lateral line under the skin, from the head to the tail, contains sensory cells and enable the fish to sense vibrations in water. They reproduce many young ones because the death rate is high among little fishes. The body of the fish is colored so as to be invisible to its enemies. The underside is light and the upper surface is dark. This is called protective coloration, so that they cannot be seen by birds. So we see here that the dark color of the back corresponds to the bottom of the water, while the light color of the ventral portion makes it difficult to see the fish against the clear background of the sky. Fishes produce slimy secretions, which help them to escape the grip of predators. Their eyes are laterally placed, giving each a wide field of view of 180 degrees to locate prey and to escape from predators. The fish eyes have powerful lenses, which refract light more strongly than do land animals. Economic importance of fish. Good protein source for man. Some fishes, like the coats, are rich in vitamin A and Z. Certain paints are manufactured from some fish oil. Glue and jewelry are manufactured from bones and some waste parts of fish like scales. Fish farming serves as employment for so many people all over the world. Fishing as a sport provides entertainment. Fishes form a good link in most food chains and food webs. Fishes help in clearing of water, since most fishes eat debris and plankton in water. Fishes are used in biological studies. Example, construction of aquarium. Most people get iodine from fish. Fishes are used to make fertilizers.